to another Jane of all trades tutorial short. Today we're going to be adding a fade in, a fade out, or you could call it a fade from black or a fade to black in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. It's a really simple process. I've already got a little clip set up for us. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to our effects panel, which we can see here, and then all we need to do is go to video transitions, dissolve, and there we have dip to black. You can also, if you can't really remember how to get there, you just type in black and then millions of things will come up, but it will also be here right at the very bottom. Now dip to black is both sides. It automatically recognises what is the start of a clip and what is the end of the clip. So all you have to do is grab your dip to black and then place it at the front, and then you can come over and then grab and then place at the back. And now when we roll our titles, we've got a fade into black from black, and then when it gets to the end of the clip it will fade out. And there we go. So that is how you do a fade in and fade out. You've also got the option to do it fade to white and fade from white if you're doing something a wee bit more vibrant. So that's our tutorial short. Thank you for coming in a little deep dive in Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2020. Feel free to like, feel free to subscribe, feel free to drop a comment below on any of my tutorial videos, and thank you very much for watching. Bye!